Give it a quick stir. We're going to start with half a medium onion, ,50 grams of carrots, three garlic cloves, two spring onions, ,20 grams of ginger, ,250 gram broccoli, ,200 gram chicken breast, to marinate the chicken, cornstarch 1 teaspoon, quarter spoon of white pepper, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of regular oil. Mix well, marinate for 15 minutes. For the stir fry sauce, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, quarter teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 50 ml of water, stir until the cornstarch fully dissolves, 3 tablespoons of oil into a medium hot pan, fry the ginger on a medium heat until brown on both sides. Once the ginger is brown, discard the ginger. In with the marinated chicken. After about 40 seconds, turn your chicken over. Keep stirring your chicken until it's evenly brown on both sides. Once the chicken is evenly brown, remove it from the pan, set it aside. A spoon of oil into a medium heat pan. Add in your white onions and garlic. Going to add in the rest of the broccoli. Pinch of sugar, pinch of salt. Splash the Shaoxing wine. Around 10 ml of water, lid on. Cook for 40 seconds. 40 seconds up, lid up. Add in the carrots. Return the chicken. Add in the rest of the sauce. Add in the rest of the spring onion. Give it a quick stir. Once the sauce is thickened enough, you're done.